New methods for communicating are appearing online all the time. Fedor believe that banks need to tap into this and move with their client in order to regain trust. Here to discuss this idea further is Matthias Kroner, CEO at Fidor Bank. Matthias, welcome.
Hello.
So tell us about Fedor and some of the work you've been doing.
Well, Fidor Bank actually is following the mega trends which we can see in the internet. So Fidor Bank has a high target of integrating the customers, interacting with the customers and delivering a lot of transparency. One of the examples for integration of the customer, for instance, is our like interest rate, which you maybe know. The like interest rate is driven by the likes which we have on Facebook. So this is the first product and offer actually which integrates the customer even within the pricing.
You plan to expand in the future. What's your strategy around this?
The technology of Fidor Bank is a technology which is made for an international approach actually. So yes, we are thinking about expanding into other countries and we are in talks there already with some partners, or we do it on our own.
And what are you doing in the UK? What are your operations here?
The UK will be a part of our international strategy, that's for sure. It's a super interesting market with a very high range of online customers, so this seems to be absolutely interesting to us, and I hope I can surprise you within the next 12 months.
You mentioned your international expansion and you've worked with a number of partners. How do you select these?
Well, we've got two kinds of partners. The one kind of partners are our innovative partners which we integrate into our Fedor account technology, kind as a app actually, and the customer can use those partners via the app infrastructure. And the other partners we are having are B2B partners which are using our banking technology, our payment technology, maybe in a white label or maybe the way it is. So we are happy to have those partners as well.
Now tell us more about Fedor Techs. What solutions does it offer?
Well, actually, it's the company Fedor Techs that is providing this kind of technology. It's the heart of our research and development within Fedor Group. It's developing the technology, it's maintaining, hosting, whatever you can assume coming with it. And Fidor Bank, for instance, is a customer to Fedor Techs, like some other companies as well.
How easy is it for people to use your services?
It always was the objective to be as easy as possible to access us. So we have a community on the one side. If you want to register for the community, you can use a Facebook Connect process. I think we're the only bank in Europe doing something like that. And even if you want to do your full KYC, we are the first bank in Germany offering you a digital full KYC process. So there's no bank which can be easier addressed than Fidor Bank.
What advice would you give to other banks who want to use these social media strategies?
Well, first of all, I think it's absolutely important to deal with it, not to try to avoid it. The most times I'm talking to other bankers, they talk about the risk of talking within social and communicating within social media platforms. I see the risk not to be there. Second advice would be, if you're interested in more of our experience, I'm happy to have you as a guest in Munich. You can address me via email or Facebook or Twitter, whatever way, and I'm happy to answer all your questions.
Matthias, thank you.
Nick, thank you.